Hi everyone, it's John Cruz at Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm here today to talk to you about this wonderful Ferrari Dino. As most of you know, the Ferrari Dinos are limited production, specifically the GTS version, and this car has ultimately become one of the most attractive Ferraris, and maybe even more importantly than that, people have realized that these are one of the most enjoyable to drive and use. And as most of you know, we love to drive our collector cars and use them. This particular example has been wonderfully restored, and it has also had a very recent major mechanical servicing, so it's ready to go use and enjoy right now. And it was finished in the very desirable Daytona chairs, and it's just the perfect combination of the looks, the usability, this particular one is the options, colors. This is a great example. Maybe make this one the next car that you add to your collection.